The 48N6 missile is a cornerstone of Russian long-range air defense, forming a crucial part of the renowned S-300 and S-400 missile systems. Developed during the Cold War era, the 48N6 has evolved over decades, blending advanced guidance, impressive range, and exceptional versatility to create a formidable shield against aerial threats. Today, we'll dive deep into the missile's history, technical specifications, operational capabilities, and its role in modern air defense. Cut to historical black and white footage of Soviet missile development. Narrator. The story of the 48N6 begins in the late 1970s and early 1980s with the development of the S-300 system, known in NATO terminology as the SOT 10 inches Grumble. At that time, the Soviet Union sought to counter increasingly sophisticated Western aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic threats. The 48N6 was designed to complement the earlier 5V55 missiles, offering higher speed, longer range, and improved accuracy. The missile officially entered service in the early 1980s, quickly earning a reputation for its reliability and performance. Over the years, the 48N6 has undergone several upgrades, with variants like the 48N6E, 48N6E2, and the 48N6DM providing enhanced capabilities for both the S300PMU series and the modern S-400 systems. Cut to animation of missile flight trajectory. Narrator. From a technical standpoint, the 48N6 is a long-range, surface-to-air missile that uses a combination of solid fuel propulsion and sophisticated guidance systems. Measuring around 7.5 meters in length and weighing approximately 1,900 kilograms, it is launched from a vertical launcher, allowing rapid deployment and 360-degree coverage. The missile employs a two-stage solid-fuel engine. The initial booster stage propels the missile to supersonic speeds, typically around Mach 4, while the sustainer stage guides it toward the target. This design ensures that the missile can engage fast-moving targets at extended ranges, making it highly effective against fighter jets, strategic bombers, and cruise missiles. Cut to radar footage and missile targeting screens. Narrator. Guidance is a critical component of the 48N6's effectiveness. Early variants used semi-active radar homing, relying on the S-300 or S-400 radar to illuminate the target. This allows the missile to track targets even in electronic warfare environments, where jamming and countermeasures are a constant threat. Modern variants, such as the 48N6 German Marks, feature improved digital guidance systems, better resistance to electronic interference, and enhanced maneuverability for intercepting evasive targets. One of the defining features of the 48N6 is its range. Depending on the variant, the missile can engage targets between 40 and 250 kilometers away, with an altitude reach of up to 30 kilometers. This gives the S-300 and S-400 systems the ability to create a multi-layered defense bubble, covering vast areas and protecting both strategic assets and civilian infrastructure. Cut to footage of military exercises and missile tests. Narrator. The operational versatility of the 48N6 is another key strength. It can simultaneously engage multiple targets, from aircraft formations to cruise missiles. In combination with other Russian missile systems, it forms an integrated air defense network capable of tracking hundreds of targets and prioritizing threats in real time. The missile's warhead is designed for maximum effectiveness. With a high explosive fragmentation payload weighing around 150 kilograms, the 48N6 detonates near the target, dispersing a lethal cloud of shrapnel capable of destroying or severely damaging aircraft and missiles. Its proximity fuse ensures detonation occurs at the optimal moment, increasing the probability of a successful intercept. Cut to side-by-side comparison of S-300 vs S-400 system launches. Narrator. When integrated into the S-400 system, the 48N6 continues to prove its relevance. The S-400, also known as the SA-21 inches Growler, extends the reach of the 48N6 while adding compatibility with longer-range missiles like the 40N6. This creates a layered defense strategy, where the 48N6 handles medium to long-range threats, and other missiles cover extreme ranges or specialized targets. The missile's deployment isn't limited to Russia alone. Over the years, several countries have acquired S-300 systems equipped with the 48N6 missile, including China, India, and several Middle Eastern nations. These exports demonstrate the missile's effectiveness and reliability in diverse operational environments. Cut to slow-motion footage of missile interception tests. Narrator. In combat scenarios, the 48N6's strengths are clear. Its speed, guidance, and explosive warhead make it capable of neutralizing modern fighter jets equipped with stealth features and advanced countermeasures. Its adaptability ensures it can respond to cruise missile threats, which are increasingly prevalent in modern warfare. Moreover, the missile's integration with radar and command systems allows operators to maintain situational awareness, coordinate multiple launches, and adjust engagement strategies dynamically. This makes the 48N6 not just a missile, but a key component of a comprehensive air defense architecture. Cut to visual graphics showing missile evolution and modern upgrades. Narrator. Over the decades, the 48N6 has evolved, adapting to new threats and technological advancements. The 48N6E2 variant introduced in the late 1990s offers extended range and improved maneuverability, while the 48N6 German Marks, introduced in the 2000s, pushes performance even further, with better radar resistance, faster reaction time, and higher success rates against modern targets. Despite being over 40 years old, the 48N6 remains relevant, a testament to its robust design and the continuous upgrades that keep it at the forefront of air defense technology. Its combination of range, speed, and precision makes it one of the most respected missiles in the world today. Cut to wide shot of missile systems deployed in strategic positions. Narrator. In summary, the 48N6 missile exemplifies the evolution of Russian air defense philosophy. From its inception as a response to Cold War aerial threats to its modern role within the S-400 system, it has consistently demonstrated reliability, versatility, and effectiveness. Its ability to engage multiple targets at long ranges, withstand electronic countermeasures, and deliver a powerful warhead makes it a critical asset for any air defense network. As global aerial threats continue to evolve, missiles like the 48N6 remain vital. They serve as a reminder that modern warfare is not just about offense, but also about creating impenetrable defensive layers that protect nations and critical infrastructure. Closing scene. Slow-motion footage of a missile launch with cinematic music fading. Narrator. The 48N6 missile is more than just a weapon, it is a symbol of decades of engineering, strategic thinking, and adaptation to emerging threats. As long as air defense remains a cornerstone of national security, the 48N6 will continue to be a key player, standing guard over the skies with unmatched precision and power.